Oh no, a serious mistake. The heavy truck reversed onto the ferry, forgetting the weight of the cargo behind it. The waterline sank slowly, and the ferry couldn't bear it, tilting as if about to burst. Bit by bit, the truck gradually slid off the ferry and sank into the cold river. That moment was filled with regret. Just one secure rope could have prevented this disaster. A small act of carelessness led to an unfortunate accident, leaving behind a costly lesson about caution when dealing with heavy loads in water.